Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study without burnout. First, understand that preventing burnout is about creating a sustainable learning environment. It involves recognizing your limits and proactively managing your energy. We will explore practical steps to help you maintain focus, avoid exhaustion, and achieve your academic goals consistently. This approach ensures you can learn effectively for extended periods without feeling overwhelmed or losing motivation. Effective planning is crucial for preventing burnout. Start by breaking down your study material into smaller, digestible chunks. Then, schedule dedicated time blocks for each task, perhaps using a technique like the Pomodoro method, which suggests 25 minutes of focused work followed by a 5-minute break. This structured approach helps you stay on track and prevents feeling overwhelmed by large assignments. To truly optimize your learning and avoid burnout, focus on active engagement. Instead of passively reading, try summarizing what you've learned in your own words or even explaining it to someone else. Employ spaced repetition by reviewing material at increasing intervals. This significantly boosts long-term retention. Understanding the why behind concepts is far more effective than just memorizing facts. Your well-being is paramount to sustainable studying. Make sure you get enough sleep, ideally between 7 and 9 hours each night, as this is vital for memory consolidation. Fuel your body with a balanced diet and drink plenty of water. Regular physical activity, even a 20-minute walk, can significantly reduce stress and improve your mental clarity, helping you stay refreshed and focused.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.